Good morning children, welcome to the video class. Grade 6 History Chapter 2. We are seeing our History Chapter 2 on the trial of the earliest people. Yes, in the previous class we saw about why were they on the move, why were the people were in the move. There are four reasons for their movement. What are the four reasons? If they stay in one place for a long time, they would have eaten up all the available plants and animals. And second thing was, the animal, they move from one place to another place in search of their food, so they also want to follow the animals. And then third one, plant and trees, it bear fruit in different seasons, so the people, they want to move from one season to another season. And then the fourth point, the people, plant and animals, they need water to survive, so the people, they were in the move in search of water also. If the water is available in one particular place, they started to stay in that place. And then how do we know about these people? By the archaeologist. The archaeologists, they found many things about the hunter gatherers, they made and they used. One best example was stone tool. Yes, and then today we are going to see the remaining part of the chapter, making stone tools. Stone tools were probably made of using two different techniques. The first is called stone on stone. Stone on stone means first stone they will use it as a hammer, and another stone they use for making the tool. Yes, here the pebble from the which the tool was to be made and was held in one hand. Another stone which was used as the hammer was held in another hand. The second stone was used to strive off flakes from the first till their required shape was obtained. Yes, they will make tool with the use of stone itself. And then pressure flaking. Here the core was placed on a firm surface. The hammer stone was used on a piece of bone or stone that was placed on the core to remove flakes that could be shaped into tools. Yes, these are the two techniques, different techniques they used to make the stone tools. Yes, on those days we saw that only the stone tools they used as the weapons, and then for cutting, for stitching the cloths, everything they used the stone as their tools. Yes. Finding out about fire. Find the kernel caves on map 2. Look at your page number 14 in your book and find out the kernel caves. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Traces of ash have been found here. This suggests that people were familiar with the use of fire. See, traces of ashes have been found in that kernel caves. That traces of ashes, it suggests that people were familiar with the use of fire, and fire could have been used for many things. See, the fire, it is the source of light, and then to cook meat and to scare away animals. And a changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, there were major changes in the climate of the world with a shift to relatively warm conditions. In many areas, this led to the development of grasslands. See, before 12,000 years, there were major changes in the climatic conditions, so that lead to a development of grasslands in many areas, and this in turn lead to an increase in the number of deer, antelope, goat, sheep and cattle, because these animals are grass eating animals. If the grassland it developed, so these animals also increase in their numbers. That is, animals that survived on grass. Those who hunted these animals now followed them, learning about their food habits and their breeding seasons. We all know that the people, they hunted animals, but now they started to learning about their food habits and their breeding seasons. It is likely that has helped people to start thinking about herding and rearing these animals themselves. See, it helped the people, they started to follow their food habits and breeding seasons, no, it helped the people to start thinking about herding and rearing those animals themselves, and fishing also became important. And this was also a time when several grain bearing grasses including wheat, barley and rice grow naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. And this was also the time where grasses like wheat, barley and rice also grow naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. And then men, women and children, they probably collected these grains as food and learnt where they grow and when they ripened. See, men, women and children, they started to collect these grains for their food, and they started to learn about their growth also. And this may have led them to think about growing plants on their own. Rock paintings and what they tell us. Many of the caves in which these early people lived have painting on the walls. Some of the best examples are from Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. These paintings show wild animals drawn with great accuracy and skill. See, many of the caves, the archaeologists find some paintings also, cave paintings also. One of the best example was painting from Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. And then who did what? We have seen that the earliest people hunted, gathered plant produce, made stone tools and painted on cave walls. Is there any way of finding out whether women hunted or men made stone tools, whether women painted or men gathered fruits and nuts? See, we all know that earliest people, they hunted and gathered food, gathered plant produce and made stone tools and painted on cave walls also. But we are not sure that whether these things are men did or women did. At present we do not really know. However, there are at least two possibilities. It is likely that both men and women may have done many of these things together. It is also possible that some tasks were done only by women and others only by men. See, we are not sure about the work that was done by men or women, but there are two possibilities, whether the work it is done by both men and women. Otherwise, it is also possible that some tasks were done by only women and some task may be done by only by men. And again, there could have been different practices in different parts of the subcontinent. A closer look, Hanji. A number of early Paleolithic sites were found here. Paleolithic means early period of history. At some sites, a large number of tools used for all sorts of activities were found. See, during that early period of history, there were large number of sites were found in that place, and large number of tools were used in all sorts of activities were found, and these were probably habitation cum factory sites. In some of the other smaller sites, there is evidence to suggest that tools were made. In some places, it is the evidence to suggest that tools were made, and some of the sites were close to springs. Most tools were made from limestone, which was locally available. Most of the tools it were made from limestone, which was locally available in that place. Yes, that's all children. Your lesson was over. In this chapter, we saw about the earliest people. They were hunter gatherers, and then they hunted animals and collected their food. Is that they were in the search of food from different places also, and they were in a move from one place to another place also. And then uses of tools also. Stone tool, they were used to cut meat and bone, and they were making stone tools also. There were two techniques, no? Yes, that's all children. Note down your homework. See, you have to complete these sentences. It is near book back also. And then answer the following question. You have to list any 3 ways in which hunter-gatherers used fire, and would you use fire for any of these purposes today. Yes, you have to list any 3 ways in which hunter gatherers they used fire, and then you have to compare your uses of fire today and their uses of fire, and then make 2 columns in your notebook. In the left hand column, list the foods hunter gatherers ate. Yes, what are the foods that hunter gatherers ate? We have seen in the class, no, they used to eat the plant produce, like roots, and then they used to eat the meat. No, you have to write in one column, and then in another column, that means in the left hand column, you have to list some of the foods you eat. Nowadays you are eating different types of food, no? Yes, you have to write all those foods, and then do you notice any similarities? You have to write, do you notice any similarities that hunter gatherers food and our food style? Yes, that's all children. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.